All right, hey everyone. Welcome to the live break of this 2016-17 NBA trading cards box of Optic Donruss. All right, so let's open this box up. All right, so one autograph per box, and hopefully get some good players for you guys who won the teams. All right, start with our first card. Some of these guys that does these breaks don't pronounce the names right, so I'm not even going to try because it's in cursive, but unless it's pretty obvious. So let's see if we can get this first pack opened up here. All right, first pack. We got a Lakers, D'Angelo Russell. There's Al Horford. And we got the Elite Series Mike Conley from the Mavericks. And then a Marcus Morris from Detroit Pistons. See if we got any numbered cards here. No prisms. So we'll just sort them off over here by their teams. Boston Celtics, Detroit Pistons, Lakers, and the Mavericks in the first pack. Now to the second pack. Atlanta Hawks. Now we got Carmelo Anthony from the New York Knicks. That's a good card, good player. The Elite Series. Rookie from the Clippers, Diamond Stone. So we got a few new teams here. Knicks, Atlanta Hawks, the Mavericks. There's two Mavericks. All right, not bad so far. Let's go to the third pack. All right, Indiana Pacers, Russell Westbrook from the Thunder. Yeah, I don't know how to say that guy's first name. Another rookie from the New York Knicks. So we got Pacers, Oklahoma City Thunder, Washington Wizards, and our second New York Knicks player. All right. Looks like we got a refractor in here. All right, Wilson Chandler from the Nuggets, Denver Nuggets. Another Denver Nuggets rookie. Malik Beasley. Prism, not numbered. John Wall from the Washington Wizards. And a rookie from the Knicks again. So our third Knicks card. Denver Nuggets. And our second Washington Wizards card. Utah Jazz. Minnesota Timberwolves. And Dwayne Wade from Miami Heat. All-Stars card. Numbered 61 of 99. Nice card. And that is Miami Heat, which is our first Miami Heat team, our card. And then Pelicans, Utah Jazz, and the Minnesota Timberwolves. All right, let's go to our next pack. Wesley Matthews from the Minnesota Timberwolves. And what do we got here? Another Prism, not numbered, from the Toronto Raptors. Timberwolves card. Ricky Rubio. And a rookie from the Clippers, Bruce Johnson. All right, I think that's our first Raptors card. Dallas Mavericks, Minnesota Timberwolves, and the LA Clippers. All right, another pack. Zach Randolph, Timberwolves, Lakers, Prism, Houston Rockets, Toronto Raptors rookie. Actually, that's Memphis Grizzlies there. Los Angeles Lakers, second card for the Lakers. Houston Rockets, first card. Toronto Raptors, second card. Let's put this up there so you can see the colors on it. Kyrie Irving from the Cleveland Cavaliers. And Anthony Davis, should be a Prism, right? Yes, refractor. 22/49 numbered. Blue. That's a nice card. New Orleans Pelicans. That's our second Pelicans card. Cleveland Cavaliers. Andre Iguodala from the Golden State Warriors. And a rookie card from the Thunder. Oklahoma City Thunder. Let me put these in the teams here real quick. Golden State Warriors is our first card for the Warriors. Cleveland Cavaliers is our first card also. Second card for the Thunder. Okay, moving right along. Looking for that autograph card. All right, what do we got here? We got Dwight Howard, good player from the Atlanta Hawks. And we got Paul George from the Pacers. Leonard from the Spurs. James Harden from the Houston Rockets. There's a good player, James Harden. That's a nice one. That's our second Rockets card. Indiana Pacers. Our second card for the Pacers. First card for the Spurs. And the Atlanta Hawks. I think that's our first card for Atlanta Hawks also. Yep. No, that's our second card for the Hawks. Next pack. All right. Denver Nuggets. Charlotte Hornets. And what we got here? Kobe Bryant. The Champ is Here card from the Lakers. Not numbered. And Timberwolves. All right, Lakers. It's our third card for the Lakers. Denver Nuggets. Third card. Charlotte Hornets. First card. And the Timberwolves. All right, Cavaliers. Richard Jefferson, not a bad player. Isaiah Thomas, Boston Celtics, All-Stars. It's a prism. Not numbered, though. Here's a rookie from Atlanta Hawks. And the Timberwolves. Second card for the Cavaliers. Boston Celtics, second card. Atlanta Hawks. Third card. And Minnesota Timberwolves, third card. Another pack. Let's put the packs out here. Milwaukee Bucks. Here we go. We got a prism. Numbered 62 of 99. Mavericks 62 of 199. Dallas Mavericks. Boston Celtics. And Washington Wizards. Third card for the Wizards. Boston Celtics. Do we have a Boston Celtics spot? Yeah, we do. We got a third card for the Celtics. And Timberwolves is a fourth card. And Milwaukee Bucks. That's our first card for Milwaukee Bucks. About halfway through. Here we go. Dallas Mavericks. Memphis Grizzly. Prism Al Horford. Boston Celtics. Numbered 20 of 99. And then a rookie card for the Magic. Steven Zimmerman. Timberwolves. Memphis Grizzly. Boston Celtics. And Orlando Magic. I think that's our first card for Orlando Magic. Alright, let me get the rest of these out of the box here. Actually, looks like we're a little over halfway here. You're looking for that autograph card. Who's going to get the autograph? Oh, I think that might be it right there. No, that's not. But that's it's Orlando Magic Prism Aaron Gordon, numbered 1 of 10. There's a good numbered card right there. 1 of 10, Orlando Magic. That's the second card for the Magic. Charlotte Hornets, Jeremy Lamb. Isaiah Thomas again from the Boston Celtics. Card to dimes, not numbered. Boston Celtics. Charlotte Hornets. And the rookie card for the Timberwolves, Chris Dunn. Minnesota Timberwolves. And Charlotte Hornets. Next card, or pack. Not too bad of a box here so far. Boston Celtics. No, I'm sorry. Milwaukee Bucks. Washington Wizards. The Crashers. Draymond Green from Golden State Warriors, but actually he's the jersey says Warriors, card says Washington Wizards, so he got traded there to the Wizards. Houston Rockets. Ben Simmons rookie card right here. This is a good rookie card. I'm sure you get the 76ers. Whoever won that team is going to want this card, and you will get it. Ben Simmons rookie card. Philadelphia 76ers. Congratulations, whoever won that team. And that's our first 76ers card. Milwaukee Bucks. The Wizards. And Houston Rockets. Third card for the Houston Rockets. All right. 5 packs left. Lakers, Boston Celtics. I believe this guy's good too. K. Felder from Cleveland Cavaliers, rookie prism. Numbered 139 of 199. Cleveland Cavaliers. Cool, cool. And then Toronto Raptors. Third card for the Raptors. Cavaliers. The Lakers. And Boston Celtics. All right, 4 cards down. Where's that autograph at? Darren Williams, Dallas Mavericks. Tyson Chandler, Phoenix Suns. Rookie card Chris, or actually, where is that? Karras, not sure how to pronounce that guy's name, but from Brooklyn Nets. Andrew Wiggins from the Minnesota Timberwolves. Actually, there's 2 guys in here. Nope, one's, let's see, Dallas Mavericks. This one is. There. Phoenix Suns, I think that's our first card for the Phoenix Suns. Brooklyn Nets, first card. Minnesota Timberwolves. All right, 3 packs left. I was going to take this, do the live break later tonight, but I forgot about the Michigan Wolverines game, so we're doing it earlier today. But it'll be posted here shortly. Okay, let's go here. We got Dallas Mavericks. What is here? What is this? There's the autograph. Toronto Raptors rookie Fred VanVleet. I think that's how you pronounce his name. So there's our autograph. Toronto Raptors. So congratulations, whoever bought that team. That's the 4th Toronto Raptors card. LaMarcus Aldridge, Spurs All-Stars. And we got a rookie card from the Phoenix Suns. Okay, awesome. That wasn't numbered, was it? No. It's a prism, though. All right, Chandler Parsons, Memphis Grizzly. Rookie card from Golden State Warriors, Patrick McCaw. Sacramento Kings rookie, Houston Rockets. Denver Nuggets. Yes, this is the last pack also. Denver Nuggets. Will Bartan. Frank here from Charlotte Hornets. And we got another Isaiah Thomas card. A lot of Isaiah Thomas. I think this might have been the 3rd one in here. Prism, Isaiah Thomas. Dimes. Frank. I already said that one. Oh, there's our another rookie card for K. Felder. All right, that is it. Let me go through just real quick here with you guys so you can see again what each team's going to get. Give me 1 second. I'll sort the rest of these few cards out here. Denver Nuggets. Sacramento Kings was the first card. Memphis Grizzly. Spurs. Phoenix Suns. All right, so we got, real quick, we'll run through so you can see Memphis Grizzly here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Memphis Grizzly. Knicks. 3 cards. Sacramento Kings, 1. Phoenix Suns, 1. Thunder, 2 players. Oklahoma City Thunder. There's the rookie, Toronto Raptors. Got 4 cards. Actually, two Phoenix Suns players right there. One's a Prism, not numbered. Then you got Memphis Grizzly. No, Dallas Mavericks, sorry. Dallas Mavericks, 3 cards. 2 cards from the Cleveland Cavaliers. No, wait a minute. 4 cards, actually. Okay, so one's a Prism, rookie, Fakay, and the next one is a regular card. And that Prism is numbered. And then you got 4 cards from the Cavaliers. Spurs, 2 cards. Houston Rockets, 4 cards. Washington Wizards, 4 cards. Atlanta Hawks, Dwight Howard there, 3 cards. Lakers, 1, 2, 3, 4 cards from the Lakers with the Kobe Bryant there. Boston Celtics here has a few cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. You got some All-Stars, a numbered Al Horford card, a couple Isaiah Thomas cards, not bad for Boston Celtics. 1 card from the Clippers. Denver Nuggets, 4 cards with a rookie. Utah Jazz, 1 card. Washington Wizard or Golden State Warriors, 2 cards. Dwayne Wade from Miami Heat, 1 card from Miami Heat. New Orleans Pelicans, 2 cards. Indiana Pacers, 2 cards. Got some Timberwolves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the Timberwolves. Hornets, 3 cards. 76ers, 1 card. Clippers, 1 card. Orlando Magic, 2 cards. Detroit Pistons, 1 card. Kyle Leonard from the Spurs. Wait a minute. I already had the Spurs, I think. Maybe I didn't. Do you see the Spurs here? Oh, right there. So we got three cards from the Spurs instead. Actually 2 then. Not some bad cards there for the Spurs. All right, and then last one, Milwaukee Bucks, 2 cards. Congratulations. We will send them out to the winning bidders on Monday. Have a good day.